Hey Siri.
And think twice before you ask enough. Me today, no brother. Adapt me no unite today, no brother. Adapt me, I tell you no. I will.
Siri ain't got no manners. Oh boy, jeez, I'm so damn even thirsty. Hold on, let me ask Siri if where the nearest place I can. Hey Siri. Where's the closest place I can get some water?
Some water?
Me Jesus. Water. Where's the closest place I can get some water?
Some water? Water? Brother, okay, what type of water? Water.
Okay,
water.
Where's the closest place can I get some water?
Walmart. Cha. Me Jesus.
Oh, I'm so curious about this one. Hey Siri.
What?
What is suck your mother?
Go suck your mother.
Me Jesus. No. Why this Siri so? This Siri different.
That's one pure fuckery.
She got like an accent-ish.
Me no she, me a man. Batty boy.
Sorry.
Me a man.
Him got an accent, sorry.
Come like a love man, you know.
Anyway,
me a man.
Hey Siri. What do they call bad people in Jamaica?
So basically bad people is crosses. Someone like you. You know what I'm saying? So you are crosses. Use a dirty piece of crosses. Yeah. That's what they call bad people. Like yeah. Use a perfect example. Your mama facey. Batty boy. Man, hurry up and come, man. Me don't got me yard, man.
Hey Siri. Can you spell color?
COLOUR.
No. Hey Siri. Can you spell color?
COLOUR. Color.
This color is not spelled COLOUR.
Are you telling me?
Can you spell COLOR? Siri, can you?
Are you telling me? COLOUR.
I'm sorry.
You deaf? Batty boy.
I know.
You deaf? You deaf?
We know everything.
COLOUR. Color. Color. When you spell color, COLOR. Batty boy. Come out of the bathroom. Come on, man. Come on. Me Jesus.